Google is quietly giving away 11 AI tools completely free that most people don't even know it exists. No subscription, no catch. I'm walking you through all 11 in the next 5 minutes. And by the end, we will know exactly which one to open first. I tell you. So the first category is the research and building tools. Number 1 is Google AI Studio. This is mission control itself. It tests Google models, tweaks settings, and compare prompt results side by side. It is where developers and curious thinkers go to see what Gemini can actually do before building anything real. The second one in this category is NotebookLM. Feed it your sources, PDF notes, you are in a meeting, you jotted something, you scratched it down, articles. It turns them into summaries, mind maps, audio overviews, even quizzes. Just as if you are doing PowerPoint. If you're a student or researcher, this alone could save you hours in a week. Then, number 3 is the Firebase Studio. You want to build and launch a website or app very fast. Firebase Studio uses AI to help you go from idea to live product without wrestling with infrastructure. The takeaway is that these 3 are your AI workshop for learning, research, and building. The next is the creative tools. Gemini Live is for live stream. This turns Gemini into a live co-pilot host with screen sharing right in the middle of a meeting or presentation. So instead of switching tabs like we used to do, the AI see what you see and present it as if it's you. Then media generation. You can use Imagen and Nano Banana. Type a short, simple prompt, get an instant, polished image. No design, no software, no waiting on any graphic designer. Then the next one in this category is Google App Builder. Build actual working apps using prompts or templates. Zero coding required. This is Google's answer to I have an idea, but I can't code. It helps you do all the coding. What's the takeaway? In this one, this trial turns ideas into visuals, apps, and live collaborations instantly. The next one is the productivity tools. Number 1 on this list is Gemini in Google Sheets. This one is a quiet productivity killer, but in the best way. It generates formula, insights, even full text summaries right inside your spreadsheet. Can you imagine? No more Googling how to write a VLOOKUP. The next one on this category is Nano Banana. It's for editing. You already have an image. Nano Banana edits and refines AI-generated image into new creative variations, an image that can pinpoint values and do all of that. Perfect for quick iteration without starting from the scratch. What's the takeaway here? These tools take the busy work out of spreadsheets and image editing. The next category is the video and knowledge tools. They are for video generation. Number 1, View. From a simple text prompt, View creates a full video clips or animation. This is Google going head-to-head with tools like Runway and Sora, and it is free to try. The next in this category is Gemini Ask on YouTube. You can chat directly with a YouTube video that you have uploaded on Gemini and ask for quick answers. You can jump to specific chapters in the video or get key insights without scrubbing through a 40-minute video. What's the takeaway? View creates video. Gemini Ask helps you to understand video faster. Then the last one is the assistant tool. This is Gems in Gemini. This is Google's version of a custom AI assistant and agent. Build your own gem train on specific files, data, and instructions. So instead of a generic chatbot, you get a specialist that already knows your context. Now, all these 11 free tools are at your disposal. Research with AI Studio and NotebookLM. Build with Firebase and App Builder. Create with Imagen and Nano Banana. Work faster with Sheets and Gems, and learn faster with Gemini Ask on YouTube. You don't need to open all 11 tabs today because you will feel like, let me start using it. Just pick the one problem you have right now. Writing, building, editing, or learning. And there's always a free Google tool built for it. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comment section. Now you need to move fast. The reason you need to move fast on this is that all these things will not stay free for life. You have to make money from these free versions first. Take, for example, there was a time everyone was using Grok because it was free. And what Grok was doing is they were testing the application with all our inputs. So these guys too are testing these applications with all the inputs we are putting into them. Eventually, they will stop giving it for free to everyone and it will be paid for once they have all the data necessary for building the applications. So this is the best time to go for it, make money from it, so that by the time you are told or we are told to pay for it, it won't be difficult to pay. The money you already made from them, then you can pay them and subscribe. If this has helped you, subscribe and like. Until we see you on the next video. Thank you.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.